Hi, it's Martin Lenthal here, and this is just a quick video to do an over-the-shoulder demonstration of this fantastic new software, VideoMakerFX. It has sold thousands of copies in the first few days. In the first 48 hours, it sold 12,000 copies across the internet. It's because it creates brilliant whiteboard, character, professional looking videos that can be used by affiliate marketers, professional businesses, anybody who wants to promote through video. And we all know how powerful video is, how easy it is to rank on the first page of Google, how it gets better interaction and buy-in because you're getting the message across in a very simple way, in a way that words couldn't do. So VideoMakerFX, of course there'll be a link below this video to show you how to buy the software. At the moment it's only $37 and that's a one-off payment. It's Mac and PC compatible. It's not WordPress plugin or anything like that. It's standalone software. It's absolutely fantastic. I've been looking for something like this for about 3 years, and there are alternatives out there. The one that does probably the nearest functionality to VideoMakerFX is in the region of $300 a year license. So what you'd pay roughly in 1 month would pay for this forever. So let's get into it and have a look. So quickly, we've opened up the software. We're going to create a project. We give the project a name. Create professional videos for your business. Okay, always try and spell professional right, makes it look good. Okay, and there we are. So we've created a project. We now need to add some slides. Now the great thing about this software is that a lot of the slides, these are all the different sets of slides, different types of themes. So you've got 3D effects. We go into there. We've got a 3D effect type slide, which all this is completely customizable in color and text, of course. Presentation slides. So let's have a look at one of those. I haven't even gone through all of these yet. I found my favorite and I've worked with them. So there's more of a corporate type of slide, something you'd be fairly familiar, but how, using a presentation tool, but how long would it take to even set up a slide in a presentation tool to bring those sort of characteristics in? It's 2 or 3 minutes a slide if you're good at it. If you're not, it's going to be a lot longer. Then we go down, there's one more business one there we'll have a look at. Circle left. And all of these slides, so you don't have to use the sets. You can take one slide from one, use another slide from another. So let's look at some of the character slides. These are the types of videos you see on YouTube, and you think, hey, how have they done those? Well, they've probably paid a lot of money for them. I was on a webinar last night, and one of the people who'd bought this software had sent out an email to about 15 businesses locally that she thought might be interested in video, got 5 sales, and get this, she sold these videos for $3,000 each. She showed us the orders. Absolutely crazy. Probably took her 15 minutes, something like that, per video. And that's including speaking to the customer, getting what they want. So you can see these type of character slides here. Another one, let's try Frank. What I also like about how this is set up is that actually they've put a bit of sense into it, and so the character slides are all in a kind of storyline. So here we are, meet Frank, he's an internet marketeer. Slide 2 is, but he's unhappy because of the problem, and he doesn't earn much. He needs more sales. So there's a story behind it that takes us through, and all customizable in terms of color, as I say, and these things here. So very often you'll find that the storyline, if you can just adapt the text, is pretty much what you wanted to say. Going down, we've got some of the pro themes, which are one-time offer on the back end. These are even more slides. So as I was saying, I could use, say, character slide Brian 4 and then go over to photo showcase 1. And what would happen there is, as it comes in, the image would show. What most people are doing are either the character ones or these whiteboard videos where it's sort of hand drawn. So although the image is not customizable, the text over here is. So hello, are you struggling to promote products? Are your products or services being found online? You know, and drawing through. They're not all people based. So let's see if we can find another one. So what are you waiting for? Okay, so those are the types of slides there. I think there's somewhere in the region of 150 slides you can choose from. You can add video into the video. Let's see, essential. There was corporate videos there. That was one the girl was selling yesterday. You know, these don't look great now, but what we can do is add an image into the background, so the shaping and the size of the color come great. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the software to create a video. I'm going to create, I quite like the character ones. I like the whiteboard and I like the character ones, so I'm going to go for, I don't know, let's pick one at random. Where's my character ones? What does Jerry look like? No, I don't like Jerry. So let's look at Ken. No, it looks too much like me. Back to Frank. Hi, Lisa. Here's some Google ones. Obviously the description's been taken out. So right, okay, let's get into it. So I got sidetracked there slightly, didn't I? I'm going to use, hey, this looks like a good one. Meet David. What's the story about David? David owns a business. Good. This is a video about professional business maker. He knows the internet's massive. He can do promotion all over the world. You can do it 24 hours a day. Okay, I'm going to use this one. So you can click on a slide and then add it to your program, but in this case I'm going to add all of the slides, and there it builds, and sometimes you just have to do a little shuffle around with the videos. If some of you would have spotted the mouse cursor didn't move, I just had a phone call come in which I had to take. So well, here we are, we've loaded all the slides. I've done nothing else since. I'm starting to look through some of these slides that I may not want, so I'm thinking about, I'm doing this on the fly, but I'm thinking about doing a video about how powerful video is for business. So that one does. Okay, so I'm going to take out the slides that I don't want. So let's make you a video. Yeah, we definitely want that. We create responsive websites. Not interested in that. Don't want to put my logo in particularly. Yeah, probably keep that one in. So doing super SEO. Don't want that. Give us you a free gift. Definitely don't want to give free gifts away. We want the world, the power for the world. Okay, might keep that. Can always take that later. Still don't want my logo in. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Okay, so there we go. So we've got the slides that we want to do. Meet David. So let's start changing them. Meet David. So we can change his name. Let's meet John. Simple as that. Change the text area, it updates automatically. I suppose we're going to do capitals, we better do capitals. Meet John. Okay, so I'm going to change that back to David, just so that I don't have to keep changing the name all the way through. The name doesn't matter, it's the message. Okay, David owns a business and he needs to market online. Yeah, don't we all? And it needs to market online. I'm going to leave that. If I wanted to, I could change the background. I can align the text and change the text color. You can add images, shapes, animation, all these things. But actually, you'll see that within 5 minutes we'll have created a fantastic video, and we didn't need to do any of those things. If you really want to get in, of course, if I was selling a video to a business for $3,000, I would certainly be in and changing things to their corporate image and so forth. But I'm not. I'm just doing one for us, just to show you how good it works. Okay, I want to move that slide there. So, okay, it needs to market online. So let's go back through this. Let's see if there's one on. And no, I quite like that. Okay. David would like to see more money end up in his wallet. No, so I'm going to go. And David knows that video marketing will put money into his wallet. Ooh. So you can see as we're going through, it's really simple just to change things. David doesn't want to grow his business. What does he want to do? David just wants to grow his business. So okay, David just wants to reach a larger audience. Okay. So David couldn't find a good provider until he found no. So he found this software. Of course, if you can type fast, if you can type at all, then you'll probably be doing this a lot faster than me. So David couldn't find a good provider, so he found this software instead. Okay, let's see if we can. I will change the color of that one. So change the color of that message when we have that red. So we found this software instead. Oh, I don't like that. So bear with me. I know it's probably going to look frustrating watching my fat fingers type. So we are experts at viral marketing, video creation, ghost posting, Facebook. So videos are great for. So creating videos that are great for no, that's because I have to change the size of the box, but I can't be bothered to change the size of the box, so I'm going to take that out. Viral marketing, video posts, company website, and viral marketing. Where else would you put it? Social media? No, that's on the next one. Customer demos. Okay, so this is quite a big slide, this one, but it's got a powerful message, so why not? So also Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn. And by the way, if you're thinking where can I market these videos, there you are. That's where I'd be putting them. So if we've done that, we can leave this slide in, which you could put your own Twitter username and so forth, but if I was building this for the company, I would do that, but obviously I'm just trying to sell, or demonstrate the video to sell to the customer. So you can introduce your product. So let us make your video so you can get the software, make your own videos, introduce, so you can introduce your products. Okay, now that David has finally found David's finally found this. He is happy. Okay. Text area. What can we do here? But there are tons of marketers out there. So David has harnessed the power of the internet. Okay, so what's that slide build? Okay, happy with that. That's a nice slide. Okay, sorry that took a little time. Don't need that one. Okay, what does this one say? So we've got a scrolling computer. Creating viral. No, I don't like the word viral. Sounds like a virus. Grabbing eye-catching videos. Every day. Well, he actually needs to grow his business. Okay. So, promoting his business spelled typo. "24 hours world wide." Okay, so where was that typo? Creating eye-catching videos. Okay, look, there's loads of other things we do here. Size of the text, color of the text. This changes the how long the slide is in the video. This one changes how long the effects are on the slide and so forth. But in the main, if I could type and if I'd actually thought about the story before I'd done it, then I could have done that in about half the time. But you get the idea. If a sausage finger fool like me can do it, then anyone could do it. So I'm quite happy with that story. I'm just going to save that project. That's now done, and it's ready for export. So I'm actually going to put this on my website, and just to show how brilliant they are, even I'm going to do slightly smaller size. I'm going to show you even on a low poor quality, so in other words it'll build faster on my website, just how good this is. Of course, if I was loading it up to YouTube and so forth, then I'd be looking at HD with a high quality, but there we go. Okay, so let's export that. This takes a minute or two just to render each slide and put it into a format, but that's it, we're done. The video, character video, professional looking video, manage the story. I didn't change the slides from other sets of slides. I just used the one story. I kind of used the story going through. That's because I'm lazy. I'm not actually going to try and sell these videos. I'm just showing you how they work. The whiteboard videos, this one had a lot of text. There was a lot of slides in the set. The whiteboard videos, I've done videos which are 6 or 7 slides long, a couple of pieces of text. You know, it's taken me 5-6 minutes to create a whiteboard video, which was then saved at high quality and put onto YouTube. If you're watching this, you probably have already seen my videos on how to rank videos on the first page of Google, and also how to add in links and PayPal buttons into your videos, and how to share them on Facebook and so forth. Those are other videos in the series. So I'm just going to pause this video while this renders through. This is taking what, I don't know, 40 seconds a slide to do. That's because of the lot of text. If you do the slower videos, the videos with the less characters, then they render through in probably, I don't know, 10 seconds per slide. So I'm just going to pause there. Okay, that actually only had to pause for about 3 minutes there because the export is now complete. The Camtasia I'm using to record this over-the-shoulder video was obviously slowing down the rendering. As soon as I paused that, it flew through. But it did give me a minute to think about something I'd forgotten to show you, which is probably a really powerful feature that you want to do, which is adding audio. So we can add audio to, so it's a simple song. Sorry, there's the first thing, right? So if we want to add audio to it, we need to enable the audio. I don't know, let's listen to this. Type of background bed that you could add to the video, so it's not just watching there. Okay, or you can enable voice track, so you could then go back through and talk over your video. I'm using Camtasia, software that's cost a fortune to do that, which is all included in this package. So $37 current price at the time of videoing this. The person who created the video software, the VideoMakerFX, Peter, was on the webinar last night, and he is adding in hundreds of more slides in the next release, some more work around the audio so that you can download tracks straight into it of your own. But he did say the price will go up. It will go up considerably. He's sold it's 12,000 copies in the first 48 hours. I've looked online now. He sold over 15,000 copies in 2.5 days. So he knows it's proven, it works. He knows it's popular. So why not? Why wouldn't he put the price up? Okay, so there we are. Our video is done.